Thank you for watching. Just a little. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, John. Hey, Cheryl. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the likes. Good evening. Good evening, Rodrigo. Long time no hear, Rodrigo. How are you? I'm fine. Long time no hear. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you so much. Miss you. Why? Peter friends. Hello, Peter. Slovakia, Europe. Hi, welcome here to my channel. Thank you for joining here from Slovakia, from Europe. Long time. Oh my God, yes. Yeah, miss you here. My channel, on my life. More beautiful every minute. Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me. Better friends, nice. Thank you, better friends. Don't forget to like friends. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the likes. Good morning, Crandon. Good morning. Wait. Ajit. Hi. Hello. Hi, Chris to the G. Welcome back. I am discouraged girl. What? Huh? You're discouraged? Why? A little bit less noise tonight, yes. Little bit. But the kids still, some kids still playing. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Flo, oh my god. Huh, Flo? Flo? You are still so beautiful. Thank you so much. Kids will be kids. Yeah. A rainy day today here. Okay. Here, we're lucky sunny day here. Warm weather. Well, talk later. Okay, happy to see you, girl. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for joining here, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Bye. Great night for you. Thank you. Seeker, God bless. Rini here too. Where are you, Chris? I think Chris is from. Oh, I forgot. You told me before. Greece, yeah. Sorry. Bye bye. Bye bye, Rodrigo. Bye. Don't need to be sorry. Okay, thank you. First to the G. A little petals. Gab! Kanina, Gab! Gab! Do anything exciting today? I will come back to dance with you later. take care of me. Okay. No worries. Go! Tara na, dito na. I don't care what you say. I'm in love with you. It's just pulling away. Cause you know the truth. That I'm like, please. And then you're off in the night, keep bleeding, I keep bleeding in love. I have to make a coffee. Okay, John. My father is still coming. He's still coming. Thank you for sending the heart. Those who sending the heart, I heart you too. Why don't you have donation open? Where donation offers open? I don't know. What do you mean? If anyone want to help me, like donate money, I have a Gcash. I will give you ano. Papanaginip ka kahit sa magpunta araw-gabi. It helped me to save money to buy a laptop, to buy araw-gabi nasa isip ka. Gabi ang gawa araw-gabi. Thank you for the likes. You can have in your live stream a button in the right bottom corner from which we can send you tips. Right button. The no here. Can't you can have in your live stream a button in the right bottom corner from which we can send you tips. No, the right button is like not yet. Because I am still not sending I'm not rich to not yet reach for the super chat, not yet reach, but I'm hoping I will be rich super chat that anyone can send the tips here. It helps donation. Oh, sorry. Sorry. You have to make them available before you start the live stream. Ah, really? Oh, wow. That's great. It's having an I think no, not possible because having a ano not yet. Need to need to reach the like the super chat. It's called the super chat. The super chat can reach the goal to unlock super chat that anyone can send tips or money. I try again if it's available. I will try. Araw-gabi I will try. Okay, I understand. Okay, I will start again and I will try. I don't get what you mean, honey. I will try. Okay, I will try another live, another live. I will try what you mean before I start the live. If having an option on the settings, I will try. But now I can't see here now. Just nothing, no option. Just hello, Bismer. Hi, Bismer. Thank you so much. How are you, beautiful? I'm fine. How about you? How are you? Cora. Okay. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine, Bismer. And you, how are you? Gab! Ka na Gab! Ay, nako! The little the tiger. Wait lang. Cause just so falling away. You have a perfect body. Thanks, baby. Jose. What, Bea? Bea, what do you mean, Bea? I thought you were Bea. Uh, I want to be with you, honey. Who are you? Bye bye. I need to rest now. Hope to see you next live. Bye bye.